A good external DVD drive is one of those devices you rarely think about, because when it's well designed, it simply works. It reads discs reliably, burns data without producing failed or corrupted discs, plays DVDs quietly, and connects instantly, whether your laptop has a traditional USB-A port or the latest USB-C connection. Of course, not every external DVD drive offers the same experience. Some focus on portability, others prioritize faster and more reliable disk burning, while a few go even further by including extra features like SD and micro SD card readers, additional USB ports, or built-in USB hubs that make them much more than just an optical drive. With that in mind, we analyzed more than 20 external DVD drives to find the very best options available today. Each product on this list excels in a different area, whether you're looking for a simple and dependable DVD reader, a reliable disk burner, or an all-in-one desktop accessory that expands your laptop's connectivity while handling your optical media needs. As always, links to every external DVD drive featured in this video can be found in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you enjoy videos like this and find them helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the list. We start our list with a brand not so many people are familiar with, ROOFULL. The ROOFULL external CD-DVD drive is not just a disk reader and burner, but a full desktop hub built around an optical drive. It connects to your laptop with a USB 3.0 Type-C cable, the fastest modern standard for these devices, and it includes an adapter to work with USB-A ports as well, so you don't have to worry even if you have an old laptop. In addition to this, it also has two built-in slots for SD and TF memory cards. For photographers, videographers, or anyone constantly swapping memory cards and USB accessories, this single piece of hardware eliminates the need to bring a separate card reader and hub. The ROOFULL can run on both Mac and Windows without any extra software installation. It can also do reads and burns at standard speeds. However, the ROOFULL lacks M-Disk support. For those of you who don't know, M-Disks are a kind of durable DVD drives that use stone-like organic material to write and read data, allowing them to last for hundreds of years. If you don't deal with this kind of disk, you're getting a reliable, silent drive with plenty of external and modern features. Next, we get the HP DVD-RW drive. Unlike the ROOFULL, the HP shifts focus entirely back to bare-bones reliability. It looks like a classic slim external drive, with a simple, sturdy build and a USB-A connection. There is no adapter, no memory card slots, and no extra USB ports. What it offers instead is a feeling of industrial-grade dependability that comes from tight power management and a well-engineered laser assembly. It works on both Windows and Mac without any driver installation. However, due to the lack of USB Type-C port support, you are likely required to get a USB-A to USB-C adapter to use it on the Mac or laptop with no USB-C support. HP DVD-RW is often chosen in business environments, where a drive might be used day after day by many different people. It does not support M-Disk, nor does it come with any bundled software, but that simplicity is the point. This is the kind of drive you forget exists until you need it, and then it always works, no matter how long it's been sitting in a drawer. From that minimalist dependability, the Verbatim Slim steps in with a clever middle ground approach that brings back useful extras without overwhelming you. Like the ROOFULL, it solves the modern port problem, but in a different way. Instead of two separate cables or a hub, Verbatim ships the drive with a single attached USB-A cable and a small USB-A to USB-C adapter that you can keep on the cord or store away. This gives you the same dual compatibility and result without carrying extra long wires. The drive itself is slim and lightweight, running on USB 2.0, which is more than enough speed for CD and DVD work. What truly makes it stand out is the inclusion of M-Disk support. Like we previously said, M-Disk is a special kind of recordable DVD that etches your data onto a rock-like layer, meaning it can last for centuries. Verbatim also includes Nero burn and archive software for Windows users, which turns organizing and burning photos, videos, and documents into a guided process instead of a puzzle. Compared to the HP drive, the Verbatim adds that crucial M-Disk capability, the USB-C adapter, and bundled software, making it a much richer package for anyone who values future-proof archiving and wants a single cable that works everywhere. Next, the Dell DW316 brings a different kind of refinement. It is the definition of plug and play. You take it out of the box, connect the built-in USB-A cable, and it just works on any Mac or Windows system from Windows 11 all the way down to older versions without a single piece of software to install. However, because it uses a standard USB-A connector, you will need a USB-A to USB-C adapter or a powered USB hub to connect it to newer Mac models or Windows laptops with only Type-C ports. The whole unit uses only 8 watts, so a single laptop USB port powers it without any risk of sudden disconnections, a common problem with cheaper drives that demand more current than a port can give. The design is clean and simple, with no adapter, no M-Disk support, and no extra software bundle. What you lose in features, you gain in the most invisible setup experience possible. If the Verbatim gave you the tools to archive for decades and connect to every machine, the Dell strips all of that away to become a natural extension of your computer. It's not exciting, but for someone who just needs to install old software or watch a DVD movie without any extras, it's the most dependable and effortless companion you can ask for. Finally, the ASUS ZenDrive takes everything we've seen and wraps it in the most travel-friendly package yet. Its 13mm slim body and black metal-like finish slide into any bag without adding bulk, and that sturdy feel protects the delicate internal laser and motor far better than flimsy plastic casings. The ZenDrive also gives you both a full USB-A cable and a full USB-C cable right in the box, so you're ready for any laptop made in the last decade with zero compromises. Like the Verbatim, the ZenDrive also supports M-Disk, so your archive-grade burning needs are fully covered. On top of that, it ships with Nero Back It Up for Android, a unique feature that lets you connect your phone and burn backups directly to disk, something no other drive in this group offers. It reads and writes at standard 8x speeds for DVDs over a USB 2.0 connection, and while it doesn't turn into a hub like the ROOFULL, it does something equally valuable. It combines archiving power, full modern connectivity, and smartphone backup into the thinnest, strongest device on this list. There you have it, our top 10 picks for the best external DVD drives in 2026. As always, links to every laptop drive in this video are available in the description below, so make sure to check them out. And if you found the video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.